Oh my god. It's been ages since we last saw each other. How are you all doing? I've noticed that my YouTube channel is growing and it's all because of you guys, so thank you so much. Also, since many people don't have credit cards and debit cards to claim free Discord Nitro, I will show you a cool way without it. Before that, join my Discord server for free decors and layouts. It's a friendly community. We will be using Honey Gain to get free Discord Nitro without debit and credit card. It's an app that lets you earn money by sharing your unused internet connection. So first, go to the link in the video's description and create an account. After that, you will see this interface. Click Download App and click for Windows if you're using it on your PC and install its app. It's pretty easy. By the way, you might be a bit suspicious how it uses your internet. Don't worry, I will share all the articles in the description so you can get full idea about it. Once this app is installed, you can log in using your Google or other accounts. It will consume some of your internet. When you install the app, you get $5 for free. In Overview, you can view your total earnings, connected devices, achievements and everything. However, the threshold is $20. So unless you don't make $20, you can't withdraw. After withdrawing the money, you can buy Discord Nitro. You can use Jump Task to withdraw the money using PayPal account or crypto wallet. You will get the money in 5 days. I haven't used the app myself, but since you wanted free Nitro without any payment method, I got this for you. You can test it around and use it. It's gonna take a lot of time to make money though, so keep that in mind. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe button.